Hello everyone. I'm back with a new topic. It's Unity tricks. So the today's topic is how to import Unity asset pack into Unity HDRP template. So it's a basic thing, but this one is for, I think, for the beginner and the intermediate. But advanced, no need to do this. But okay. So what you have to do, you have to go for open the Unity Hub first. Okay, then you have to create an empty project. Let's say I have an asset pack. This is my own asset pack, that's city bench. So this was created with the Unity HDRP asset. So I need to import it in another Unity project. So you have to run the Unity Hub, create a new project. Like you have to create like a city bench or something. CT bench. My preferred location is right now is a desktop, but you can do whatever you want, and just change it from the 3D to HDRP, high definition render pipeline, and everything is okay. Just create the project. So it's loading its default assets and template. By the way, I'm using a Unity 2020. Okay, the project is ready almost. Hang on a bit. Yes, okay, done. So maximize the view. So okay, so this is the default HDRP template, and default project comes up with the HDRP. So you can do the basic some basic things like you can in the scene. Don't need to I think no need to create the new scene right now. Just you have to focus because new scene will be coming with the asset pack. Asset pack always have some new scenes function. So okay. So this is an empty template Unity HDRP. So I have to import my package, which is city bench. So what you have to do is just go to asset and go for the Unity import package. Sorry, asset and import package, custom package. Asset, Unity import package, custom package. Click on that. So it will ask you where is your Unity package. So you just need to select the desktop, and here is my asset pack, the city bench. Here is my asset pack. You just need to select on that, the Unity asset file, and click on open. Okay, so the import Unity package dialog box is open, and here you can see the general item, all the items that are not ticked, which are already in the asset in the Unity package. So these are not ticked. I mean, these are already in the project, but this is new. This is new. So you will see on the left side, these are not new. Actually, these are already included in the package, but this is from the package. I mean, you can see the city block 1, city bench 1, city bench 2, something like that, and here you can see a green indication that this asset is new. So you just have to click on all button on the left corner, all. Okay, for the safety, you just click on all and then click on import. Just wait until it's import the new package. So the package is importing. Keep in mind, if the package is built with a standard 3D asset, then HDRP, there will be some issues with the texturing and all that, post-processing with the HDRP. But if the asset is built up with HDRP and your template is HDRP, so you need to match them both. 3D basic 3D platform is for basic 3D assets, but HDRP package, if you have a HDRP package, then you have to open the HDRP and go for HDRP assets. Okay, so it's done. So you can see here in my assets folder, there is some new folders appears, right? Bench prefab, city bench material, city bench texture. So these are the new assets. Bench FBX. You see the prefab, right? The prefab is there. Texture is there. So what you can do, you have to look for scene. Okay, so there is a sample scene. Sample scene means this scene, but you have to open the city bench. So when I click on city bench, it will directly take into the asset pack scene, right? I click on that. You see, immediately it recognized that this is a new scene, and you are right on the track, and your scene is ready. You see, this is your Unity HDRP asset, the bench collection, and you are okay and good to go. So you can arrange it according to your needs. So this is what I tried to show you actually. Then all the things will work properly. I mean the textures, all the textures are ready, and you can see here the prefabs. All the prefabs are ready. So you can drag and drop the prefabs. You see, you can drag and drop and play with the prefabs and whatever. Okay, even the HDR sky is there. You see. So this was the quick tip for today. I think you enjoyed, and it will be this tips will be very effective for newcomers and new learners of the Unity. So stay with me and support me. I will keep come back with this kind of tips again and again. Hope you enjoy and you like this. Thank you.